Okay, so me and Maddison are doing an unboxing video of what she overpacked in her bag. Help me, please help me.
We should just leave it up against this room.
Okay, whatever.
Let's just leave it down. Like that.
That's the wrong way. Okay, let's go. So first off, we got some makeup. Smoky show. We got some earrings that were Material Girl, $70. We got some toothpaste that was $70.
Yeah, these that I just bought, and they came out today.
Perfume.
You have to open it.
Discovery stuff. Oh, my bad.
So cute.
Oh my gosh, Material Girl. Gosh. Aesthetic.
Highlighter.
And we got some more makeup.
Let's go ahead.
Oh my gosh, pop
We
off.
have that makeup.
We got some more makeup.
We have those makeup brushes.
Some
makeup
brushes. We got some makeup sponge.
Ow!
We have like hair ties and
The
stuff.
hair ties and the setting spray for the makeup.
Yes.
And then the rest we have some chapstick, of course.
Some
that smells
chapstick.
like
Yes.
sweet
My lips are
lemonade.
bleeding right now.
And then we have a hairbrush and mascara.
Yes.
And then we have deodorant, of course.
Yep. Because we don't want that stinky BO.
And we have this, whatever
We
it's
got a
called.
brush.
And we have this perfume too.
Yes.
Called, I don't know.
That's some Material Girl stuff right there, boo.
Yes, Emma.
Yeah.
And then we have Miss Pretty as a Peach lotion
Yes.
for my, I don't remember what that one's
Yes.
for. Magic
Pop
in
off.
the air.
Yes, girl.
Oh,
Material
I
Girl.
forgot my foundation, guys.
Mm.
And
Then we got some more foundation.
This one, it's something.
Some random
And a toothbrush which
lime.
I'm not putting on the floor.
toothbrush that she's not.
And then we have my favorite lotion ever, champagne apple and honey.
Okay, so you brought 1, 2, 3, 4 lotions
They're all for something different.
for one sleepover.
And they're all for something different.
Whatever. Okay, next thing.
That was it.
Okay, that was it for our YouTube video.